Hey everyone, welcome to DR Nayak at the Fitness Insights channel. Please like and subscribe to this channel to watch more workout videos, and please provide comment if you like this video. So let's start with a session Yoga for Beginners. For this, sit on your mat comfortably. Keep your spine straight, your shoulder relaxed. Take deep inhale and deep exhale. Gently close your eyes. And we will start by being still for few breaths to relax our body and to calm our mind. Bring your attention on your breath. Take deep inhale and deep exhale. Relax your body. Focus on your breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes with a smile. Now let's start. Take your right hand to your right side. Lift your left hand and bend to your right side. Stretch. This is the side bend. Inhale, come back to the center. Let's switch side. As you exhale, bend to your left side. Try not to lift your legs up. Keep it close to the mat. Your hand close to your ear. Inhale to the center. As you exhale, bend to your right. Stretch. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to your left side. This is the side bend, which helps in stretching your side body. Come back to the center. Take one deep breath. Now bring the sole of your feet together. Keep your spine straight. Interlock your fingers and hold your big toes. Relax your shoulders and move your knees up and down. Count till 50. This is the butterfly pose, which helps in improving the flexibility of our hips. If you have tight thighs, you should practice this more often. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. And when you are done, take a big exhale and bend forward. Hold this pose for 5 breaths. This helps in releasing the tension from our lower back. And if you want to feel more comfortable, you can release your fingers and place your arms on the mat. Hold. Take a big inhale, come back to the center. Now extend your left leg. Bring your right feet close to your left inner thigh. Your left toe pointing up. Inhale, raise your arms, interlock your fingers and bend to your left side. Keep your knee close to the floor. Stretch your arms. Hold for 5 breaths. Stretch. Keep your toes pointing up. Inhale, come back to the center. Stretch. Exhale, bend to your left. Try not to bend your left knee. Keep your left leg straight. Stretch your arms. This helps in stretching your shoulders, your thighs. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to your left side. Hold. Inhale, come back to the center and release the posture. Now let's switch to our right side. Bring your left feet close to your right inner thigh. Your right leg straight. Inhale, raise your arm. Exhale, bend to your right. Keep your knee close to the floor. Stretch your arms. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to right. Try to bend deeper this time. Hold. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend to your right. Go a little more deeper to feel the stretch. Take a deep inhale and come back to the center. Release the posture. Now let's come on to our pose. Keep your spine straight. Your hands shoulder width apart. Relax and just move your hips back and forth. Just warming up our body, our spine, our arms. Move in a controlled manner. Now make circles. Slowly, with deep breaths. Now sit in Vajrasana and make a fist, making a circle with your wrist, warming up our wrist as we will be doing the downward dog pose. Let's come back to the tabletop position. Keep your spine neutral. Take a deep inhale, drop your belly, curve your spine, raise your chin for the cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin in for the cat pose. Repeat this for 5 times. This helps in warming up our spine, which is very good to start your day. Take a deep inhale and exhale as you do this pose. This is the cat and cow pose, which gives a very good stretch to our upper body. Now release the posture and sit in Vajrasana. Take a deep inhale. Take your hands back and interlock your fingers. Curve your spine, raise your chin and just move your head, releasing the tension around your shoulders. Bring your hands forward. Take a deep inhale, curve your spine, raise your chin. Exhale, bring your hands forward, round your back. Inhale, curve your spine, stretch your shoulders. And release the posture, moving your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Now come back to the tabletop position. Curl your toes in. Raise your knees up. Push your hips back for the downward dog pose. Stretch your arms, your shoulders. Hold this pose for 5 breaths. Move your head in yes and no, releasing the tension around our shoulders, our neck. Take a deep inhale, drop your knees, lift your chest to the upward dog pose. Hold for 5 breaths. Exhale, come back to the downward dog pose. To go deeper into the pose, just raise your heels alternatively up for 10 times. This helps in stretching our hamstring muscles. Inhale, bring your right foot forward in between your palms for Ashwasanchalan. If you want, you can move your body back and forth. And if you feel comfortable, you can also drop your knee and just hold this pose for 5 breaths. This gives a very good stretch to our inner thighs, our leg muscles. As you exhale, push your hips back. Keep your right toe pointed up, your right leg straight, and hold this pose. Come back to the Ashwasanchalan. Hold. As you exhale, come back to the downward dog pose. Hold. Stretch here. Push your knees close to your chest. Repeat this for 2 to 3 times more. It's okay if you're not able to touch your heels to the mat. Inhale, bring your left foot forward in between your palms and just hold this pose for 5 breaths. Keep your gaze at the front. Don't hold your breath. If you want, you can just move your body back and forth. Stretch. You can drop your knee if you want. If you feel this is too much for you. Exhale, push your hips back. Straighten your left leg and just hold this pose. Keep your left toe pointed up. Inhale, come back to the Ashwasanchalan. Hold. And as you exhale, come back to the downward dog pose. Hold this pose for 5 more breaths. Stretching your shoulders, your arms. Now walk your hands forward, close to your feet. And hold this pose. Take a deep inhale, circle your arms up and release the posture. Take one breath here. Inhale, circle your arm up. Exhale, bend forward. This is the forward fold. If you're not able to touch your hands to the floor, you can place them behind your calf muscles. Hold. Take a deep inhale and hold your elbows, bending your knees alternatively. This is a very good pose to stretch your legs, to improve your forward fold. Inhale, release your arms, come back to the standing position. Take one deep breath. Inhale, circle your arms up. As you exhale, bend forward, this time halfway forward, and just hold this pose. Place your palms over your knees, gaze at the front. Try to keep your spine straight. Don't round your back. Hold. Take a deep inhale, slightly bend your knees and come back to the standing position. Take one deep breath. Now, lie on your back. Relax your shoulders. Bend both your knees, lift your legs up and push your knees close to your chest. This helps in releasing the extra gas from our body. Hold. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Now make circle by holding your knees. This helps in releasing the tension from our lower back, our hips muscles. Press your knees close to your chest and just hold this pose. Slowly release the posture, turning sideways, come back to the seated pose. And we will focus on our breath. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders. Take deep inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and exhale deeply. Your focus on your breath. Now, when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you liked this video.